Hi, I'm Dr. Vanitha. I did my postdoctoral fellowship from Stanford University and worked as a senior scientist in a biotech company and married the love of my heart. But life took a turn for the worse. At work, we went from 600 people to 60 people in a span of 2 months. This led to anxiety, panic attacks, and sleep issues. I was constantly arguing with my husband. I became so irritable that even my children avoided me. Our marriage hit a low point. Luckily, I chanced upon the art of living sky breath meditation. After the very first session itself, I slept through the night like a baby. And with the regular practice of sky, I felt calmer, grounded, and joyful. My relationship with my loved ones improved. And one day, my daughter came up to me and said, "Mommy, your smile is back." And I love the new mom. And that was music to my ears.
This Mother's Day, give yourself the gift of wholeness. Rediscover your smile. Reconnect with your joy. Join Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar this July 4th through 6th for the Sky Breath Workshop in the Bay Area. It's not just a course, it's a return to the mother in you.